one major point that is not mentioned here, and I did it purposefully so that you hear me and can focus. This is the one disease, chronic bronchitis. This is the one disease where dental health is so important. Nasty mouth is going to always shower the lower airways, setting up for potential recurrent bacterial infections in a patient population that is overrepresented for them. I don't like teeth, I don't like dentistry, but for this disease process, keeping the mouth clean should be a top priority. So recommending routine cohats and encouraging owners to brush their dog's teeth is really, really important here.